Tired of struggling with canned air dusters that run out too quickly and harm the environment? Say hello to the future of keyboard cleaning with our innovative compressed air duster keyboard cleaner. Designed to be your reliable and eco-friendly companion in maintaining pristine electronics, this cordless air blower is a game changer in office and home cleaning. Here's why our compressed air duster keyboard cleaner stands out from the rest. Reusable and environmentally friendly. Say goodbye to wasteful single-use canned air dusters. Our electric duster is rechargeable, meaning you can use it over and over again without contributing to environmental pollution. It's the responsible choice for a cleaner planet. Powerful and efficient. With a staggering 1000 RPM motor, this electric duster blasts away dust, dirt, and debris from your keyboards, PCs, laptops, cameras, and other electronics with ease. Enjoy unparalleled cleaning performance without the need for harmful chemicals or propellants. Long-lasting battery life, equipped with a high-capacity 7600 mAh battery, our cordless air duster provides extended cleaning sessions on a single charge. No more interruptions mid-clean. Tackle all your cleaning tasks with confidence and efficiency. Ergonomic and convenient design. Designed for comfort and convenience, our electric duster features a lightweight and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your hand. The cordless operation allows for hassle-free cleaning, while the compact size makes it easy to store and transport. Versatile cleaning solution. Not just for keyboards and PCs, our electric duster is perfect for cleaning a wide range of surfaces, including car interiors, air vents, cameras, and more.